The concept of making money online is becoming a common way for most people to make ends meet and earn money quickly. Consequently, more people are becoming self-employed and spending a lot of time online browsing the internet in search of the next gig. Some of the ways people use to make money online include freelancing, affiliate programs, search engine optimization, and e-commerce, to name a few. Making money online has never been this easy. The majority of businesses are now shifting from the traditional office space to the digital world by creating websites and hiring remote workers. In this article, we are going to discuss the pros and cons of making money online. Pros. 1. Endless opportunities. If you've ever asked Google how to make money online, you probably ended up with 1,000 ways to do this. Apart from the traditional concept of copywriting, online selling, and online surveys, new websites are emerging and offering to pay you for doing simple things. Today, you can earn up to £10 by simply clicking through a site or sharing something on social media platforms. As the internet becomes a fighting ground for marketers, there comes several advantages for users. You can earn loads of cash reviewing and promoting businesses or answering simple questions. The best part is you don't need much to start. If you have a lot of free time, you should check out these opportunities. 2. Flexibility. Working online means there are no schedules to follow. You can organize your work around other activities that you enjoy doing. You can work anywhere at any time so long as you have a reliable internet connection. You can forget about begging to leave early or a free day because you are your own boss. This is a great advantage especially for people with small children. Ring blogs or paid online surveys are some of the flexible ways to earn money. 3. No need to invest. While it all depends on the method you will choose to make money online, all you need is a laptop and internet connection in most cases. And these can be found at home. You don't need an office space to start working from home. According to Gambizard, most legitimate online jobs don't require any advance payment. For instance, you can start promoting the latest no-deposit casino bonuses right now without any challenges. 4. Effortless. One of the best things about working online is you won't require a minimum skill or effort to get started. You don't need to be educated or have years of experience to make money online. All you need to do is invest in your time. 5. Safe. Most of the online payments are done through PayPal, which is a safe and simple platform for making online transactions. The money will be processed and converted for you to withdraw. You don't have to go to banks or do anything much apart from clicking the withdraw button. Apart from PayPal, there are other reliable platforms that offer secure transactions. You are more flexible than someone who works in a classical job. One big advantage of making money online is that you will be pretty flexible. You can do whatever you want for the entire workday, and as long results are great, you don't have to comply with any social norms. Instead, you can do what feels right to you and also don't have to care about the opinion of anybody else. Consequently, you will feel like a free human being and can spend your workday with the things that really matter instead of spending it on minor issues that may not have an impact at all, as in many other jobs out there. Making money online allows you to spend more time with your family. Online businesses also allow you to spend lots of time with your family. While you will often have to work long hours and will often also have to do business trips if you work in classical office jobs, you can stay at home with your loved ones if you make money online and will therefore be able to get a much deeper relationship with your spouse and your children, who will often thank you for that later on, since you can give them much more emotional support compared to a parent who will be away all the time. Online businesses are cool. Another upside to online businesses is that working online has become cool over the past years. In fact, online entrepreneurs have a similar standing like rock stars right now, and many people out there want to be like them. Consequently, many of your friends may admire what you are doing for a living and may secretly wish to be you. In turn, you may have a pretty high social standing among your circle of friends and can also tell many exciting stories related to your job. Online businesses have a bright future. You should also not underestimate the power of the internet. Making money online is not just a trend that may go away in the near future. It is much more than that. In fact, the internet has become mature and online businesses will have a bright future since the attention of most people will be online. In turn, you can make ungodly amounts of money on the internet if you know what you are doing and also provide enough value to your audience. Of course, this doesn't mean that everyone can do it. However, succeeding in online businesses is much easier than starting a business offline in our current state of the world since people spend more and more time online and become more technologized with every second. 10. You don't have to care about dress codes. While making money online, you will often not be seen by others. This means that you don't have to comply with formal or conservative dress codes. Instead, you can wear whatever you want and you may even be able to work in your pajamas while you can still make really good money if you know what you are doing. In turn, you may feel much more comfortable at work compared to someone who has to work in a conservative environment and has to wear a suit or fancy dress every day. Plus, you will also not have to do your laundry as often as someone who works in a classical job and has to dress up for work on a daily basis. Cons. 1. Isolation. When you are working online, you'll probably lock yourself at home or some secluded place to complete your tasks. The lack of social contact can lead to isolation and loneliness. Further, spending a lot of time in front of the computer screen harms your eyes and affects your sleep. 2. Scammers. While the internet offers lots of online earning opportunities, there are many scams. You need to be careful when applying for an online job to avoid losing time and money. You can avoid scams by not agreeing to pay anything in advance, avoiding jobs with rates that are too good to be true, and doing extensive research on the hiring company. 3. Making money online is much harder than you think. One problem with making money online is that it is much harder than most people think. In fact, many people claim that everyone will be able to make a living online with just a few hours of work per week. However, this is almost never true and you will still have to work hard to achieve your goals. Moreover, many people fail and you should really stick with it if you want to have the chance of succeeding with your online business in the long run. 4. You have to deal with lots of insecurity. Having your own online business also comes along with lots of insecurity. Not only will you be financially liable for mistakes, but you may also have to deal with all sorts of copyright infringements and you may have to spend lots of time on unpleasant issues and may feel overwhelmed with those things quite often. 5. Many methods don't work. Many methods that worked for making money online just don't work anymore. They are either obsolete or competition has become quite fierce and it is almost impossible to start out as a newcomer. Hence, you should also have a critical look at what business models still make sense and which may no longer work today and in the near future. 6. Many fake gurus in this environment. Another downside to working in the online world is that you will also have to deal with many fake gurus who promise you the world but will not deliver at all. In fact, those gurus just want to sell you expensive courses and while they will get rich, you will often not even get your money back. 7. Online businesses will not make you rich quickly. You should also not expect to get rich quickly when working on an online business. It can take many years to build something meaningful online and if you don't have the stamina and the passion for building your own business, you will be far better off working employed in the corporate world. 8. You need a strong mindset to succeed in the long run. Having an online business also comes along with lots of pressure since you will have to deal with lots of insecurity and can never be sure whether your decisions will work out in the long run. Consequently, you need a strong mindset and should be a confident person to not get discouraged by drawbacks. Competition is fierce. Another disadvantage of making money online is that you will also have to deal with fierce competition. Since educational barriers to entry are pretty low and everyone can give it a try, there are many people trying to outwork or outsmart you and if you are not really committed to your business, you may fail in the long run. Conclusion. To build a successful business online, you need to have a clear business plan and an effective management system. Select your products and services carefully and keep in mind the needs and wants of your customers. Find something unique about your business and make the most out of it. You should also familiarize yourself with your market and prioritize customer service. Also, don't forget to use feedback to improve your products and services. There are a lot of ways to make money online. Figure out which method you are passionate about and make the most out of it today.